Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Monish Naidu and welcome to my channel as Dr. Naidu's Dental Line. And today I'm going to be speaking on a very basic but a very interesting topic, and that is, why do humans have two sets of teeth? That is, why do we have a set of milk teeth and why do we have a set of permanent teeth? Now milk teeth are also called as deciduous dentition, means which fall off. Okay, and the question which arises is that why do we need these kind of two sets of teeth which fall off, then we have a new set, and do these only happen in human beings or do they happen in other animals too? A matter of fact is it happens in all mammals. Okay, mammals are those who give birth to their young ones. So initially when they give birth, the children are small. Their nutritional requirements are less, because they suck milk, and children then go into bottle feeding and then into a mildly liquid diet and then slowly start into solids. And this happens gradually as the need for nutrition increases, both in animals and in human beings. The human beings have two sets of dentition like most mammals, and they are called as having a diphyodont dentition. Some animals have multiple sets of teeth like the kangaroo or the elephant, where their consumption of food is at a very high amount, and for that reason they have multiple sets of teeth which come throughout their life, and these are called as polyphyodont. While animals like rats, beavers, they have a single set of dentition which keeps growing throughout their life, and they are called as monophyodont. So this is the basic knowledge about how many sets of teeth everybody has. But what is the importance of having these two sets of teeth? Now there is a direct correlation between the form, that is the shape, and the function. Now here the form, as a child everything is small, it's miniature, the head is small, the jaw is small, the nutritional requirements are less, food intake is less, muscles are developing, jawbone is developing. So at that point of time, at the age of 6 months, the first set of small teeth come. Okay, till that time also the child is suckling, okay, from milk from the mother. So at that point of time you can't have huge, robust, sharp teeth, right? So as the child progresses into solid food, over a period of 1 year to 1.5 years, slowly the rest of the teeth keep coming, and at the age of about 2 to 2.5 years, a set of 20 milk teeth are present in the mouth. Now, as the child keeps growing older, becomes stronger, taller, bigger, he wants to eat more. His digestive system is developing. He is having a lot of physical activities. So now the body wants more food. But can these small teeth then chew so much of food at one time, to suit the requirement? No, the jaw is growing bigger, the bone is growing bigger, the muscles are bigger, we need more teeth, and hence at the age of 6, the first permanent teeth start erupting, okay, and the milk teeth fall off and the permanent teeth come in their place. And that is why these are also called as succedaneous teeth, means as successors to the previous teeth. Okay, and in addition to that, then you have a big teeth called as the molars, which come behind the existing milk teeth. Now all this is basically to increase the amount of tools in the mouth to digest and mash the food per unit time. What is the importance of the milk teeth? There are two primary reasons why the milk teeth are important apart from the eating aspect. First and foremost is that as the child is growing, developing, consuming food, he is also acquiring his other abilities like speaking, the child is also swallowing, the child may learn to sing. So basically these teeth also have a role in all these additional abilities and habits as the child is growing. Also, the milk teeth, roots of them act as a direction for the permanent teeth to erupt in the mouth. They provide the pathway for the permanent teeth to erupt, and they also act as space maintainers for the permanent teeth to come. They maintain the space in the jaw to create that amount of adequate space to accommodate the permanent teeth. In any eventuality, because of cavitations and loss of tooth structure of the milk tooth, then what happens is that the space is eaten up and deficient for the permanent teeth to erupt, and at that time then we end up having irregular teeth. If you want to avoid having irregular teeth, you want to minimize the severity as much as possible, inspect the health of your milk teeth. See that they are not cavitated. If they are cavitated, then get them filled immediately before there is any loss of space. Okay, every tooth is important in their mouth and every tooth has a purpose. Let them fulfill their purpose by your continuous and vigilant monitoring and meticulous cleanliness. Visit your dentist regularly for periodic inspections for a healthy life ahead. I hope you all enjoyed this video where a few facts about the importance of milk teeth and why do we have these two sets of teeth in the mouth has helped you to take more vigilant care of your child. Do like, share and subscribe my video to be connected for more videos and informative facts. Thank you.